What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be finding fireworks, so let's get into it.
So we already found a couple.
Three.
Yeah.
Head in there.
And that's her brother. And that's my cousin.
Don't have me on no type of video.
Well, you're already in the video. Okay, we're just waiting for Alicia.
Bro,
We're looking to see fireworks. Oh, she found another firework.
Let's look over here.
Let's go check it out. Okay, Chloe, let us see the firework that you found. These are fireworks that she found, and we might light them. It depends. See, we found him.
Yeah.
So here go the box.
Nope, that's not the box that the fireworks came inside of.
No, it's not.
That's the black cat.
Okay, so
Now shake to the ground and make sure that.
hey, don't get off.
Bro, that's not so. Look, can y'all like this?
You leave it?
Can y'all like this?
Bye.
Never said the third of it. Can y'all like this? It smells like a firework. Smell it. Probably because it is. It's already lit. That's from that smoke bomb.
Okay, so we're just looking around the grass and
I
see,
think these are the ones.
just seeing if we see more fireworks. So yeah. So we will be right. Oh, we found one. We found one.
That one.
Okay.
Yeah, because then we could use the flashlight.
Okay, guys. So we don't see no more fireworks. So you just see them looking for more, but I don't see no more. So
let's get to litting.
let me show y'all the update on the concrete. So I gotta go all the way around here to give y'all an update of the concrete. So y'all will see. Because last time it was a whole bunch of stuff over there, but the concrete is fixed. Cause y'all remember it was all that big stuff over there and orange stuff around, but nah, they done fixed it. And let me get my friend and her brother's stuff. So let me just get their stuff. And that's the new update on the concrete.
Nighttime to blow them. It's almost nighttime. It's like 7 o'clock.
Yeah, that's the new update on the concrete. Here you go, this your brother's stuff. Her brother's stuff in your cup. So we haven't did videos in a couple of weeks. But that's the new update on the concrete.
They ain't doing it anymore. The concrete's done.
Yeah.
It just has to dry a little bit. Yeah, let's go see.
Okay, we'll give y'all.
Oh, if they're not dry yet, we can shoot these inside the concrete down, blow them up, and see if it's gonna blow up the concrete. No, it might be dry. I don't know.
Yeah, so we finna go up closer.
We finna go check
to it.
if it's dry. Oh,
It looks like it's not. It looks like it's not. It looks like it's not ready.
Oh look, it still has holes in it. It looks dry.
It's
about ready? Why is this for? Why do they always put this in the ground?
It looks like
That's probably the part that ain't dry yet. No, that's the part that's
okay. So
Oh,
it looks like it's dry, but I don't think it's dry. So okay, there go the girl that like that her brother. Okay, so right now I'm just walking around. Well, I really don't know what to do.
Well, we're gonna light the fireworks.
Yeah.
Go back to see if your mama's gonna light them. Yeah.
Well, her mom or my sister, because my sister have lighters.
Yeah, we found those.
So how many we found?
1, 2,
5
3, 4,
plus
5.
this small one. We found 5 fireworks.
We found 6.
6. Well, we found 6. Okay. So this video's not gonna be that long, but it's probably gonna be like 10 or 15 minutes. But it matters. It matters like if I want to do the video or not. Because guys, let me talk to y'all.